Let's get cooking in the Grandbaby Cakes kitchen. Today we're going Italian with something quite special. Y'all know how I feel about chicken. Gosh, I love it so. So we're making a chicken dish, an Italian-American dish, Chicken Francese. Yummy. We're talking a nice, lightly coated and breaded chicken that's simmered away in a lemon wine sauce. Delectable, delicious, indulgent, wonderful. Let's get started. Where's my glass of wine? Get it. So to get started with our chicken Francese, I have some chicken breasts here. They are boneless and skinless, and they've been pounded pretty thinly because we want to make sure that our chicken cooks pretty evenly and that also all of that delicious, juicy wine sauce gets all in there. You can just use the other one. So now I'm just gonna start with some salt and pepper on our chicken breast. Get in there, get that flavor in. This is to taste, don't be skimping. All right, so now I'm gonna add some oil to my pan and get that over some heat. So I've got some all-purpose flour here and I'm gonna add some paprika to that. Just make sure you just kind of pat it in. We don't wanna like fry this baby up. We're not looking for like a really crisp coating. Just a light breading is what we're looking for. So now that we have all of our chicken coated in our flour, we're going to add it to some beaten eggs. This is what makes chicken Francese so different, right? You would think, okay, I'm just gonna fry this up because it's got the flour batter, but no, it's the eggs. We're gonna actually put this in eggs and put this right into our hot skillet, and it's gonna create such an interesting texture on the outside. Our chicken's all done, so now it's time to start on this sauce, okay? So I've cleaned out the skillet and I'm going to add some white wine, some lemon juice, and some chicken stock. And we're gonna bring that to a nice boil. So now that our sauce is going, we are going to try to thicken this up a bit. So I've got some softened butter and I've got some flour, and I'm going to add these together to create a slurry. And that's going to thicken all of this up, but also make sure we don't get any lumps. All right, and then we're gonna add our slurry directly into the liquid. All right, so I've mixed in our slurry. That's gonna start to thicken up. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper to this. And now I'm gonna start adding in our chicken. So our chicken has been cooking, the sauce has been thickening and coating that chicken and just making it so juicy and flavorful. And now it's ready to serve up, y'all. I'm just gonna add a little parsley right to the top, and we are good to go. And here is our final chicken Francese. Just delicious, oh my gosh. Juicy, tender chicken, breaded in this gorgeous egg batter that makes it just golden. And then you've got that lemon wine butter sauce. I'm just thinking about it all for a moment. Now I'm ready to enjoy. Let's partake, shall we? Y'all, that was so dang on good. That lemon, that wine, the tender chicken. Make sure you go to grandbabycakes.com and grab it. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out more of these wonderful videos. Until next time.